evening to you all. So, today's Science Club activity, with the help of the God, grace and blessing, let it be a successful one. In this opportunity, I express my gratitude to our respected headmaster to conduct this such an activity. And one more request to you all, that for next science activity, you have to prepare from yourself from now onwards. Actually, you are doing all this activity at the end of the moment. So from now onwards, you have to plan for the next science club activity. Thank you.
For everyone, I am P. Geetika of class 9. Today we all gather here to know something new about science. Science is everywhere around us. It helps in the growth of a person. It plays an important role in the life of us. By participating in science club activity, one can exchange their knowledge, scientific knowledge, and plant a position for science. And yet, science is the most important channel of knowledge. Thank you.
There's nothing to say. I feel very proud to be a part of the science club. And let's move on. We have a very short time. So let's start the first experiment. Okay? Let's enjoy the program. Okay? So it's not that you only simply observe and leave it. Try to keep something in the mind about that project. Okay? So let's welcome the first project.
Good evening to everyone. I am A. Shivanand of class 8. I am B. Raghuram of class 8.
I am G. Sarthik of class 8.
Today we are going to make an oxyestering torch.
Materials required to make an oxyestering torch are a container, a connecting pipe, little amount of calcium carbide and water, and a lighter.
First, take a container and connect it with a connecting pipe. Then, take a little amount of calcium carbide into the container. And then add a little amount of water into the container and close it. Now place a little amount of fire at the other end of the pipe. At the starting, when we added calcium carbide and water, they both got reacted and gave a gas C2H2, that is acetylene. And the acetylene from the bottle reacted with the atmospheric oxygen and started combusting and formed oxyacetylene flame.
This oxyestering torch is used in forests to scare animals, as a torch to cook food also.
Temperature reaches up to 3200 degrees Celsius. It can be used to melt most of the metals. It can be very useful.
Everyone, my name is Akhil. I am studying in CBSE. Today I am here to spread awareness about conjunctivities. Conjunctivities is commonly known as pink eyes and is easily spread. Conjunctivitis is highly contagious and can be spread through direct contact with infected individuals and contaminated surfaces or shared items like towels and eye makeup. Symptoms include redness, itchy, a gritty feeling, discharge, and light sensitivity. It can be caused by bacteria, viruses, allergens, or irritants. Depending on the cause, it may last from a few days to a couple of weeks. To prevent spread, practice good hygiene like frequent hand washing and wipe your hands with wipes and avoid touching your eyes and refrain from sharing your personal items. If infected, avoid close contact with others, use black spectacles, and seek medical advice from doctors. Doctors may prescribe antibiotic or antiviral eye drops, and cool compresses provide relief. Proper precautions can help prevent conjunctivitis and prevents its transmission. Thank you for giving me this wonderful.
Good evening to one and all. My name is Geeta Prasad of Class 6 CBSE. Today I am going to test the presence of protein in the given food sample. Materials required for this: milk, caustic soda, copper sulfate solution. This test is based on principle of adding copper sulfate solution and soda. The given food sample turns into violet color. Let's do the test. Now let's take the test tube and add milk. Now let's add copper sulfate solution. And shake it. Now let's add caustic soda. Now let's shake it. Friends, can you see any color change it? What color it changed? Yes, it is correct answer. That means protein is present in this food sample.
Good evening everyone. We are from 8th class. Myself I am U Manaswini. Myself I am Akshita. Myself I am A Sucharita. Myself I am A Sriyashni. Myself I am A Ashita. We are going to explain about common devices used in agriculture. First, plough.
It is a device used to plough and till the soil. It is made up of two parts: a sharp metal piece and a handle. It also have a pole to connect the dot animals.
Spade. It is made of iron. It is made of iron. It is broad and have a handle. The edge of the iron sheet is made of sharp. It is used to dig or make canals and remove mud, sand, etc. Hollow. This device is used to remove weeds from, and it is used to dig lumps of soil. Basket. Basket is used to carry tools, fertilizers, and plants and animal waste. It is also used to throw waste from farming field.
Sickle. It is made up of metal, iron. It is very sharp It is used for harvesting and removing weeds.
Robot. It is a metal pole. It is a metal pole and have a handle. The last end of the pole is sharp and pointed. Used to move very objects like rock pieces.
This device is made up. This device is made up of iron piece with a sharp end and a wooden handle. It is used to cut trees and splitting firewood. Winnowing tray. Winnowing tray is made up of bamboo sticks. This is used in winnowing process. This device is used to spray fertilizers, insecticides and weedicides. This instrument working by the principle of differences air pressure.
It is designed specially with modified wheels. It is used in gardens and it is made up of iron cast and a handle.
Not need any animals. It is lightweight and can be handled by a single person.
Expenditure to effort, economic fluff can be reduced and save the money of farmers. Bullock cart is a small transport system related to agriculture practice. It's pulled by bulls or buffaloes or horse. It is helping to travel things. Thank you for
Swami of class 7 CBSE.
My name is Shivanand and I am here to make elephant toothpaste. Disclaimer. It is a neutralization chemical reaction in which the solution is warm. It can irritate your skin and eyes, so please use gloves in doing this experiment. It is safe to touch after 2 to 5 minutes. Materials required. Hello, my name is K. Jaditya. Materials required are potassium permanganate, hydrogen peroxide, food color and beaker.
Procedure to make this elephant toothpaste. Take a test tube, add potassium permanganate, some water, and mix it well. To make the dilute solution of potassium permanganate, take a beaker, hydrogen peroxide, and add dishwash liquid. Add 1 to 2 drops of food color. Then take the diluted solution of potassium permanganate and add in the beaker.
Giant squeeze of elephant toothpaste. It creates an overflowing rush of warm foam bubbles. Conclusion. The potassium permanganate breaks down the hydrogen peroxide, and the potassium permanganate works as a catalyst. The release of oxygen floods up the soap. The equation for elephant toothpaste is 2H2O2, that is hydrogen peroxide, in the presence of KMnO4 means potassium permanganate, gives 2H2O water plus O2 oxygen. Thank you for giving this opportunity.